Hey everyone, welcome back to part 5 of the Foxbody build. Today we're going to start taking apart the front suspension, K-member, coils, struts, pretty much everything suspension related in the front end to get it ready for paint. Let's go. Alright, I'm back. Last time you saw me, I was taking off this area, but since I'm a one-man operation, I had to put the camera down for a minute. You see, nothing left. Let's go to the other side. Here's the K-member. Have to finish taking off the A-arms, replace bushings, the ball joints. Off camera, I already took off the A-arms from the K-member. Have the spindle sitting right there. Already, before ending off the video, I already took the front end apart. I'm gonna flip this camera around so you can see what I did. Completely disassembled. Tomorrow, body man comes, painter. He's gonna take care of all this, like I said before, but everything's gone from the engine bay, absolutely everything. And we're gonna come inside. So you can see back here, I already took off the steering column, pedals, all that. All right, I think this is a good stopping point for the video. I'm excited to see this actually be one color so we can start working on that engine behind us and get this car running, so then we could take care of the rest of the stuff. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and help this channel grow. I greatly appreciate it, and see you in the next one.